afternoon. I am Dr.M, Sasidharan, Assistant Professor, Department of Aviation Management, AJKCAS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are about to see Introduction to Airline Customer Service. So first we see about Airline Customer Service. Airline Customer Service is about interacting with customers at any point in their journey and improving their overall in-flight and in-airport experiences. So there is a person who is responsible for this customer services in the airport. That person is called customer service agent. So there are various roles that an airline customer service agent does. They are booking and reservation. So agent assists customers with the booking, flight bookings, seat reservations and any other special requests. They provide information about flight schedules, available services and fare details. And next is check-in assistance. They help passengers with the check-in process, whether it is online or in kiosk or at the airport counters. They address any issues related to baggage, seating or special requirements. Next thing is flight information. They provide passengers flight informations. They keep passengers informed about any changes to flight schedules, flight cancellations or delays. They provide real-time updates on departure and arrival times. So next is baggage service. They assist with the lost or delayed baggages issues. They provide information about the baggage policies, restrictions and fees. So in-flight support. They address passengers' concerns or issues during the flight. They coordinate with cabin crew to resolve problems and ensure passengers' comfort. Special assistance. They offer assistance to passengers with special need. For example, whether they have any medical issues or a passenger with disabilities, or they accompanied with the passenger who is minor. Those persons are called unaccompanied minors. Okay. Next is frequent flyer program. They provide information about royalty programs and assist passengers with reward redemptions. So what is meant by royalty program is when a passenger frequently fly in the same airline, the airline will provide some reward points. So the frequent flyer they give information about frequent flyer programs. Next is complaint resolutions. So they handle and resolve customer complaints and issues promptly and professionally. They gather feedback to identify areas for improvement in services. Communication channels. They offer support through various communications such as telephone, email, chats and social medias. They monitor social media for customer feedback and respond to inquiries and comments. The next is the training and development. They train the upcoming customer service representatives to be knowledgeable about airlines, airports and other procedures and services of airports. They keep staff updated on industry trends and changes. Next we going to see about passenger handling. So passenger handling means responsibility in providing services to passengers from check-in point to the aircraft side as per the airline's procedures and instructions. The various passenger handling services are as follows. Passenger check-in. So passenger check-in is a pivotal step in air travel involving confirmation of passenger presence on flight and issuance of necessary boarding documentations. So the process has evolved with the traditional counters, self-kiosks and online and mobile options are available now. Next thing is boarding gate management. Boarding gate management is a critical component of airport operations, focusing on organized and efficient boarding of passengers on aircraft. This process involves gate assignments, information display, boarding announcements, and a coordination on boarding groups. Passenger facilitation counters. Passenger facilitation counter at airport services are as a dedicated services point to enhance overall passenger experience. Staffed by knowledgeable persons, it provides assistance with check-in, baggage services, special assistance for passengers with unique needs, and information about flight delays. Next, missing and baggage tracing. When luggage goes missing, the passenger can inform to the concerned people, and they will do all the necessary actions to identify the bag and report it to the customers. Okay, next is crew transportation arrangement. The cabin crew is also responsible. They are also responsible for transportation of crew. So crew transportation is a vital process in the airline industry involving coordination of transportation for flight crews between various locations such as airports and hotels. Airlines schedule transport based on crew assignments, considering facts like flight dispatcher times and rest requirements. So load and control facilitation. So load and control facilitation in aviation industry is critical process that involves managing and optimizing the weight and balance on aircraft. So load controllers calculate the weight distributions, ensuring compliances with aviation regulations. They plan fuel loads with the passengers and cargo manifest and communicate with the essential information to the flight crews. Special needs passengers assistant. So special need passengers assist in the airline industry involves providing additional information and services required to travelers with abilities or unique requirements. Airline offers pre-flight assistance during the flight booking. Passenger can communicate their needs in advance. Next is chartered service facilitation. Chartered service facilitation in aviation industry involves coordinating, managing logistics for non-scheduled charter flights arranged by a group of individuals. It begins with booking, planning process encompassing aircraft selection, customized itineraries and ground handling logistics, obtaining necessary permits, ensuring crew and staff coordination and providing personalized in-flight services are integral to the process. Ticketing in airline industry is a comprehensive process that starts with flight reservation and conclude with the boarding. Passenger receives a boarding confirmation upon payment. Electronic tickets are issued. E-tickets containing essential details like passenger's name, flight information, and seat assignments. Next is complaint resolution. So complaint resolution in airline industry involves addressing and resolving passengers' complaints and concerns to customer satisfaction, to ensure customer satisfaction. Handling complaints effectively is crucial for maintaining a positive reputation and fostering a customer loyalty. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think this video will be very useful for you. And if you have any doubts or anything to address, please do comment. So thank you for watching this video.